YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys some rainy day outfits because it's been pouring in California for the past 2 weeks. That's a lot for us. So drop my ass because our water dams are filling up, our lakes are filling up. It's good for the environment. On a side note, this video is actually made possible by Tab for Cause. They made giving to charity super easy this season. So what I did was download the plugin onto my internet browser, and every single time you open a new tab, a fraction of a penny is donated to a cause of your choice. The great thing about this is you literally don't have to do anything. You can just be browsing and, you know, opening tabs, a million tabs, because I do that a lot. Currently, I think Tab for Cause raised about $91,000 already, which is amazing. Right now, pause for a second, click the link in the description box. If you're on your phones, you're on your laptops, do it, click that link. It's gonna ask you to sign up with an email address. It literally takes like 15 seconds to do it, so do it. I'm gonna wait. Okay, you click the link, right? Okay, cool. So now that you have the plugin, you can start giving to charity of your choice. Let's get into the video. Okay, bye!
Four.